Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how you can search with an image, search from an image over your desktop PC. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any browser and go to the google.com. Just simply go to the google.com. Once you do that, here you're gonna see this option which says search by image. Just simply tap over it. Once you do that, it will ask you to upload the image, and you can even drag and drop or paste the link of the image if you have a image link from any other source. Now simply upload the image from which you want to search. For example, if I upload this image, now the image will take some time to upload and it will find similar results to my image. Now you can see I can search the internet using my particular image. So by this method you can easily search by image over your desktop PC. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.